Making my own firework. Potassium nitrate. It is the most common oxidizer and oxygen supplier. It can decompose into oxygen in high temperature. In 9th century, Chinese people has discovered the earliest known chemical explosive, the black powder. It consists of a mixture of sulfur, carbon, and potassium nitrate. The sulfur and carbon acts as fuels, while potassium nitrate is an oxidizer. However, I would like to use sodium nitrite instead of potassium nitrate. Sodium nitrite is a common food additive for meat, but it has some toxicity. So make sure you have gas mask and glasses before the experiment, or you may inhale the dust. Here is the chemical equation for that experiment. After calculation, I get the molar ratio and the mass ratio of the reactants. This charcoal, I have already grind them into powder. 2.2 grams. This is sulfur. This is sodium nitrite, the food additive. Then mix them. Stir them and make sure they can touch each other. And finally, we get a gray powder. I'm going to check the performance of the mixture. It's a really severe and violent exothermic reaction. Unfortunately, my porcelain ware broken. It combusted so fast and I need to make it more beautiful, so I decided to add some metallic powder in it. Iron powder is a good choice because it is not so reactive like aluminum or magnesium powder. I made a paper cone as the body of the firework. I also add some potassium permanganate in it. This is because it can offer more oxygen for this reaction. I inserted a long magnesium ribbon into the powder to act as a fuse. I decided to play the firework here and wait the evening. Now the sky is dark enough, so I decided to ignite it.